Hello everyone, welcome to this learning session. Today I will explore a key topic in B2B marketing, yaitu analyzing business market. Dalam video ini kita akan memahami bagaimana organisasi melakukan proses pembelian, siapa saja yang terlibat dalam pengambilan keputusan, dan bagaimana perusahaan dapat membangun strategi pemasaran yang efektif serta hubungan jangka panjang dengan pelanggan bisnis. I hope this session help you broaden your understanding of how business market really operates. Let's get started. In business market, the buying process is much more structured compared to customer market. Proses dimulai dari problem recognition ketika organisasi menyadari bahwa ada kebutuhan atau masalah yang harus diselesaikan. Setelah itu, mereka menyusun general need description and move to creating the detailed product specification to define exactly what they need. Next, the organization conducts a supplier search to identify possible vendors and request proposal that outline solution or pricing. That they then evaluate this proposal carefully before making the supplier selection. Once a supplier is concerned, company establishes order routine specification, which include delivery schedules, payment terms, and required service level. At the end of the cycle, the organization performs a performance review to assess whether the supplier met expectation. Proses ini membantu organisasi memastikan kualitas dan efisiensi dalam setiap pembelian besar. In organizational buying, decisions are typically made by a group rather than a single individual. Kelompok ini disebut buying center. It consists of several roles as contributing differentially to the section. Users are the people who will actually use the products. Influencers provide technical or professional input to guide the evaluation. Buyer handle the formal procurement process, while deciders have the authority to make the final purchasing decision. Gatekeepers control the flow of information decision what resist the rest of the group. Initiators are the individual who first identify a need and trigger the buying process. Dengan memahami setiap peran ini, market dapat menyusun strategi komunikasi yang lebih tepat sasaran dan lebih efektif mempengaruhi keputusan. To create better marketing strategy, companies must fully understand the mindset of business buyer. Buyers considers a mix of economic factors seperti harga dan efisiensi, technical factors such as product quality and performance, and something personal preference. There are also different buying situations, strike rebuys where organization reorder without change, modify rebuys that require some adjustment, and new tasks that involves a more complex evaluation. Selain itu, banyak faktor eksternal seperti kondisi ekonomi, perubahan teknologi, regulasi, dan kebijakan internal perusahaan bisa mempengaruhi cara keputusan pembelian dibuat. Understanding this influence help markets respond more strategy. Developing an effective business market program requires a deep understanding of the customer's needs and expectations. The first step is segmenting the business market and selecting the most attractive target segment. After identify the target, companies must craft a compelling value proposition and yang mampu menunjukkan manfaat utama bagi pelanggan bisnis. Next, market must design a strong product and service strategy that aligns with customer requirements. Pricing decisions in B2B market are also very strategic. They must reflect value, cost structure, and competitive pressure. Distribution decisions play a major role as well. Perusahaan perlu memastikan bahwa produk atau layanan dapat sampai ke pelanggan dengan cepat dan efisien melalui supply chain yang terkoordinasi. Finally, business communication, often driven by sales teams or digital channels, should deliver clear, accurate, and persuasive information that support buyer decision making. Semua komponen ini bekerja sama untuk menciptakan program pemasaran yang efektif. In B2B market, long-term relationship are a major source of competitive advantage. Membangun kepercayaan dan komunikasi yang konsisten adalah kunci utama. Many companies apply key account management to give special attention to their most important clients. Effective relationship management also involves supplier relationship management, clear contracting, and regular performance monitoring. By ensuring transparency and collaboration, companies can reduce risk and improve efficiency. Maintain strong B2B relationship raises customer lifetime value, enhance loyalty, and creates more stable business network. Hubungan jangka panjang seperti ini memungkinkan kedua pihak berkembang bersama dan mencapai hasil bisnis yang lebih baik. Thank you for watching this learning video on analyzing business market. Today we review how organizations make buying decisions, the roles within the buying center, and how company can design effective market program and manage long-term B2B relationship. Saya harap materi ini dapat membantu Anda memahami dinamika pasar bisnis dan bagaimana perusahaan memaksimalkan peluang di dalamnya. See you in the next session.